Hi everyone, Mr. Hawkins with the Tech Rundown Vlogs, and it is a thunderstorm in the area. I recorded this video about a month ago, a similar one. Let's see if we can see the rain. Oh man, look at it out there. It's really coming down, as you can see. The sky looks, I don't know how well you can see on camera. Looks to be somewhat green. It's really coming down out there. And honestly, if I turn off my light, you guys can't tell as much, but it looks to be kind of dark outside, honestly. Oh wow, you guys can really see it's coming down. It's definitely a thunderstorm in the area, I will say. Oh wow, now it's really coming down. Now it's really coming down, as you can see. We're probably here. You probably can hear the rain hitting the edge of the window outside. Let me just turn on my light here. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's somewhat dark. We have power, thankfully, because the storm ain't too bad. But it is a thunderstorm. As you can see here, it is a thunderstorm. This is just a random video I wanted to record. Thunderstorm in the area part 2. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will post more videos for you guys. I'm Mr. Hawkins with the Tech Rundown Vlogs, and I'll see you guys later.